Proposition 22. Our current paradigm cannot explain how the central black hole of a galaxy could go missing, yet we have evidence this has occurred. Any sort of collision of an object from inside our universe would not have sufficient energy to decimate a black hole, but would instead be gobbled up and merged. We have unexplained evidence of stars that have mysteriously disappeared as well. If SCT is accurate, then we might expect rogue visitors from outside our pocket of space-time to pass through at speeds greater than the speed of light. Faster-than-light collisions occurring inside our universe would explain the missing objects. As time goes on, we may eventually track or capture a foreign, faster-than-light object interacting in some way with our visible universe, hopefully far from anywhere near us. Passing through a nebula could ignite hundreds of pockets of gas that burn out a short time later. These red transients are also an observed unexplainable event, tracked by the Vasco project. In an infinite universe, we can have objects moving faster than the speed of light because they originate from a completely different nested ancestral frame of reference.